SurFlex Screen Recorder is an application that allows you to record your screen. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and as you can see, once I pull up SurFlex, I've got a few different things here. I can actually record the full screen or just the region. I can decide if I want my webcam on as well and decide where to put myself as a icon. And I've also got the sound settings here as well, as you can see. I can decide where I want the visual to be taken from, so I can even take it from my phone as well, which is quite useful. I can select what region, I can select it and drag around it myself like this.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
And then as you can see, there'll be a red border showing the region that's being recorded. And let's say I want to click record now. So we've got a countdown. And yeah, as you can see, we can see exactly when we start recording, and we can also see how much space is left and how much space is already being taken up by this recording in real time, which I think is quite useful. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.